What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the second episode of the S15 build series. Today we got something that I'm very excited for because right now the car drives very bad on the 20-year-old coilovers that it's on. But we got a set of BC Racing custom spec coilovers for this car. I did what spring rates I thought would be good for the angle that we're going to be running once we get it fully set up to drift. So it's a standard BR series kit. I think I did 10K front, 5K rear because they changed the spring rates recently. But yes, obviously we run BC Racing on all of our drift cars, that Z, the current Z outside, and this is probably my 8th or 9th set of BCs between all the cars. So very thankful that Cody and the BC family are a big supporter of our program and on board with this new street drift car project that we're doing. And yeah, so we got a set of BRs out for it today, and we're not going to be messing with a ton of ride height, but we'll at least get it matched to the coilovers that are on the car, and then once we do wheels and tires, we will set ride height in a different video. But there's no point adjusting right now because it's on the stock GTR wheels. But let's get these open and get to this install. We got the back seat down trying to get the parcel tray out, but got the stock third brake light in there, so Joe's in the back trying to get this crusted ass plug out.
Tell me what it's worth, I'll do good what I can sell it for.
Joe guys, Ray. Can you whip the ball up?
Where is it good?
Just a little bit more. Plus, I gotta do the front. That's straight, that's straight, that's straight. Pretty please, Princess, can you get the ball?
That's who it is. It's Unk.
No, PS93, my goat, dude. What's up, baby? Yes, bro. Hold on, we can't see you.
No,
Going, PS. Oh shit! Say what's up to the YouTube video.
Hey, he's doing mechanics, bro. Vedo is doing mechanics. Can you believe this?
Take the front off. Just got the knuckle loose. Spindle, I guess this would be considered. And then just got to get this little bowl out for the brake lines. Brake line, singular. Well, no, I guess
expert Bill is trying to figure out what the fuck going on right now. I'm trying to bless buddy.
I'm trying to go play skate forward, bro.
Make sure he drives safe down the road. We want to see this guy make it the next year, so I'm here to supervise a little bit. Little quality control action going on.
This motherfucker, bro. We got a free. What is this? 15 pounds, like 12 pounds. Plus into the hammers.
Motherfucker trying to make his veins come out like fucking Brock Lesnar.
Just do that, bro. Stiffer springs. I ordered stiffer springs knowing that one, I wanted stiffer springs for the front for drifting, and then I just stiffened up the rear a little bit because I knew we were going to be running some pretty tight fitment. So this is not standard spec, this is BR series with stiffer springs. So it is a little stiffer than a standard BC set. That's to be expected. I knew that going in. It still feels great, but I purposely went up on the spring rates. So just noting that.
Just so everybody knows, it's gonna look a little bumpy because I'm not on a gimbal. My hand's just kind of free holding it.
I got the handheld iPhone shot.
This entire video forgot the micro SD card. So hopefully it's good.
Yo, check out this stance on this thing. Look at the front camper. Goated. W rig, bro. Homie. But dude, any little nick in the road and it would bounce so much that my feet would come off the gas and it would make it feel like I'm buckling the throttle. But so far so good, man. It's cruising. I mean, it's very quiet. The ride quality is nice, but also how quiet it is a huge plus. So BCs are the wave. I've obviously known this because this is my 9th set of BCs. Obviously, we run them on the race cars and all street cars. But obviously, there's some people out there that are naysayers. But maybe this video will help change your mind. They're cruising about 2-3 miles in, just enjoying some brand new BCs. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Episode 2, building the S15. BC coilovers are done. Shout out to BC. Shout out to Cody, Mike, Pete, everybody. Omar, Davey, Al, Sam, everybody in sales, the custom build in the back that put the kit together for us. Everybody. Whole company's awesome. Obviously, very stoked to have them on the S15 now. So, yeah. You're not going to adjust any right height until I get wheels in. No point in trying to lower it on these stock 16s because obviously we're going to have to change it again once we're on the 17, 18 staggered. So, yeah, car looks good. Ride's great. Obviously, it's a little stiff because I put stiffer springs on there, anticipating the angle kit and such. So, yeah, pretty good. I'm hyped. Peace!